Hello everyone, it's your boy Mo Duncan Jr. here. I'm going to be testing out the new LTC Mosh Whm-01 Gaming Mouse, and it's also wired and it has RGB lighting. Has pretty responsive buttons. Let's see, it's only 91 grams that it weighs, so it's pretty light. It's LTC's newest product that just came out, and they were kind enough to let me review it. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the unboxing video and smash that subscribe button. It's a sister company of Red Dragon Gaming Products, so be on the lookout for them. They're pretty new. Right? Oh yeah, ambidextrous. Whm-01 Mosh Pit. Check it out. Peace. Alright everyone, here we go. I'm going to do the unboxing of the LTC Mosh Pit wireless wired Whm-01 gaming mouse. Call it a honeycomb also. Here's the back. The specifications are. You get the name. Okay. Here we are. Okay. Wow. Nice, neat box. Even has the user manual here. Tells you everything. Okay. Just gonna slide this stuff to the side. Okay. Oh. Here's the mouse. And this should be the accessories. Oh, cool. This is so cool. It even comes with a USB port, Type C. USB rechargeable, Type C. And here you have the accessories, to where I guess you can add the buttons, rapid fire buttons, and this even pops onto the mouse. Alright, let's take a look at the mouse exactly. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's all white, got a honeycomb on it. The LTC Mosh Pit Gaming Mouse, boom, made by LTC, Whm-01. Has different features. You have your switch here, you turn it on, your USB port where you insert it. Even has the two side buttons right there. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. I'm getting ready to plug it in and take a look and see what it can do. Let's really put it to the test. Okay. There is one more piece I am looking for. It's going to be the that's interesting. I wonder where's the USB dongle. Might be somewhere on the actual mouse. I'm sorry, it has two buttons on each side, making it 7. Guess this is to change the DPI. Yeah, this thing is pretty sweet, man. Let me see. And this cord that it comes with is very long as well. Wow, maybe about 6 feet. Type C. Right. Plug it in. Okay, just figured out where the USB port is. You have to pop, I guess, this guy off. Well, actually, I could show you from here. You see it inside of there? That's pretty sweet how they hid it like that. And this bar back here, this all lights up. Wow. Okay, we're doing the unboxing of the Mosh Pit Whm-01 Honeycomb wireless and wired wireless mouse by LTC. Just came out. Takes a Type C USB, and here I'm gonna plug it in and show you guys. Now look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Got two buttons on each side, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, so it's pretty ambidextrous. It's pretty light. Let me show you guys this also. Give me a snack, I'm sorry. Magnetized. And it has the USB dongle right on the inside. Look at that. That's beautiful. Got the light up LTC logo there. You could even change out the lids, and it even has buttons, extra buttons for you as well. Boom, just like that. Change the look of your mouse. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it even has different lighting modes too. You can press the button on the bottom here. Press this light button, and it could change to one specific lighting or different light settings. Look at that. Wow, I am blown away by this. This is an awesome mouse, you guys. You guys might want to check it out, get you one. I went and got me one. This is awesome. Here's what I was using. It's one of those Wish mouses. Takes the the AAA batteries on and off switch. And look at the comparison side by side. Look at this. Fraction of the dollar. And it's wireless as well, so I could even use corded version mode, or I could either use the wireless dongle that's on the inside, USB dongle, and just simply unplug this. Hello everyone, it's your boy Mo Duncan here to talk about the LTC's latest Mosh Pit Whm-01 RGB Honeycomb wireless and wired gaming mouse. This thing is absolutely stunning. It even changes colors with every setting that you would need, you know, for sensitivity. That's something that, you know, I had to learn just a second ago, you know, after reviewing it. So you could even see on the screen just how, if you wiggle it real fast, or if you want to just have a controlled, well, see, this one is the one that's the highest. Oh yeah, this thing is absolutely stunning. This is the one that you can control. Right now I'm actually doing the edit. Okay, let's go to Google. And this is also a Red Dragon product, but sister company, LTC. You guys check it out, go get you one immediately. I'm telling you, Amazon.com, look it up. Mosh Pit Honeycomb Wireless RGB LTC. Whm-01. It's your boy Mo Duncan, over and out.